Question for you. What does these two have in common? While pandas and tardigrades may seem like an odd pair to compare, they both illustrate the diversity of life on Earth and ways in which organisms have adapted to their environments. Keep watching this to find out some unbelievable animal facts. Starting with number 5. Let's discuss the beaver, an animal with a knack for engineering that would leave even the most seasoned human architects in awe. Beavers are the ultimate builders of the animal kingdom. They construct intricate structures, including dams and lodges, using nothing but their teeth and paws. The dams are built by piling up logs and mud across streams, creating a pond in which they build their lodges, their homes. These lodges have multiple entrances and chambers, providing a safe haven for beaver families. Their dam building habit plays a vital role in maintaining the ecosystem. The ponds created by beaver dams provide a habitat for a host of other species, including fish, birds, and amphibians. The slowed down water flow helps in the reduction of soil erosion, and the dam also acts as a natural water filter, improving the quality of water downstream. Beyond just providing a home for themselves and other creatures, beavers' constructions alter the landscape in ways that help to mitigate the effects of droughts and floods. Their dams store rainwater, reducing the risk of floods during heavy rain and ensuring a steady supply of water during dry spells. Their construction skills are an impressive testament to the genius of nature's design. Number 4. In the world of the animal kingdom, few creatures possess the astonishing ability to alter their appearance quite like the chameleon. This remarkable reptile has the power to change the colour of its skin, making it a master of camouflage and deception. Unlike many animals that use camouflage as a defence mechanism, the chameleon's colour-changing abilities serve a dual purpose. Yes, they use it to hide from predators and sneak up on prey, but they also use it to communicate with other chameleons. Just as we humans use our words and body language, chameleons use their skin. It's their way of saying, "Hey, I'm here and I'm feeling, well, you can see for yourself." So, how does this colour-changing magic happen? It's all thanks to specialised cells called chromatophores, located just beneath the chameleon's skin. Each chromatophore is filled with tiny pigmented granules. When a chameleon experiences changes in its body temperature or mood, these granules move around, altering the way light reflects off the skin and consequently changing its colour. The chameleon can match almost any colour it encounters in the wild. This extraordinary ability allows them to adapt to a multitude of environments, from the lush rainforests of Madagascar to the arid landscapes of the Arabian Peninsula. But it's not just about survival. Chameleons also use their colour-changing abilities to express emotions and intentions. A calm chameleon might display cool, subdued colours, while an agitated one could flash brighter, more intense hues. Even their mating rituals involve a colourful display, with males transforming into vibrant patterns to attract females. Number 3. When an opossum is threatened, it enters a near coma-like state. Its body goes limp, its breathing becomes shallow and infrequent, and its heart rate slows down, mimicking the signs of death. It can even emit a foul odour, similar to that of a decaying body, adding a touch more authenticity to its act. This state, known as thanatosis, can last for several hours, often long enough to convince even the most persistent of predators that the opossum is indeed deceased. Interestingly, this isn't a conscious decision on the opossum's part, it's an involuntary response, much like fainting. It's as if the opossum has a switch that gets flipped when it senses danger, plunging it into a state of apparent death. Many predators are scavengers, preferring fresh kills over carrion. When they stumble upon an opossum playing dead, they presume it to be an old kill, thus unappetizing and potentially riddled with disease. This ingenious survival strategy has served the opossum well. Despite being relatively small and lacking in physical defenses, it has thrived across a range of environments. From forests to urban areas, the opossum's act of playing dead is an incredible display of nature's ingenuity, a testament to the lengths animals will go to ensure their survival. It's a reminder that strength isn't always measured in muscle and might, but sometimes in cunning and adaptability. Number 2, the tardigrade, the toughest creature on and off Earth. This microscopic water bear, as it's often called, is the epitome of survival. The tardigrade's secret lies in its unique biological adaptations. When faced with harsh conditions, tardigrades undergo cryptobiosis, a state of suspended animation where metabolic activities come to a halt. This allows them to survive in the most extreme environments imaginable. From the unforgiving vacuum of space to the crushing pressures of the deep sea, tardigrades are undeterred. They can also withstand high radiation levels that would be lethal to most life forms, thanks to their DNA repair mechanisms. These tiny warriors warriors can even endure temperatures as low as absolute zero and as high as 150 degrees Celsius. These extraordinary abilities make tardigrades the ultimate survivors, demonstrating the remarkable resilience of life. From the vacuum of space to the depths of the ocean, tardigrades are proof that life finds a way. Number 1. The giant panda, native to central China, exhibits a fascinating array of survival behaviours that have allowed it to endure in its challenging environment. At the forefront of its survival strategies is its highly specialised diet. Despite being classified as a carnivore, the giant panda primarily consumes bamboo, relying on its strong jaws and teeth to efficiently process this fibrous plant material. This dietary adaptation helps the giant panda avoid competition with other large herbivores in its habitat. The giant panda's elusive and solitary nature contributes significantly to its survival. By leading solitary lives and occupying large home ranges, giant pandas minimise encounters with potential threats and reduce competition for resources. Their keen sense of smell and climbing abilities further aid in their quest for survival, allowing them to locate food sources and escape danger when necessary. The reproductive behaviours of giant pandas play a crucial role in their survival also. With females typically giving birth to only one cub every 2 to 3 years, giant pandas invest considerable time and energy into ensuring the survival of their offspring. Mothers are highly protective of their young, often cradling them in their arms and fiercely defending them from predators. Conservation efforts have also been instrumental in safeguarding the survival of the giant panda. Through initiatives such as habitat preservation, captive breeding programs, and community education, strides have been made in protecting this iconic species from extinction.